Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and this one right here is Mini, and we have four cats at home. So when this company contacted me to send this automatic and robot cat litter box to make a video out of it, I had to say yes, and I tried it. I tried it last night. I already have it hooked up on my phone already, and I gotta say that is a game changer just to have it. Whether if you have one, two, or four cats, doesn't matter because it's gonna give you some tranquility that it's gonna do everything by itself. I just want to make sure that you're not seeing this picture over here. Just like this, Mini, please. Okay, perfect. So it's gonna do everything by itself, and you can do it on the distance because you're gonna connect it to your phone. So you leave it on the Wi-Fi in the house, and then you go out, and you can just do it on the phone on the distance. So you can check the history. You can check how many times they're going to the bathroom. You're gonna check if they're clean, if it needs to be clean. You can reset it, you can clean it, and it's so easy to put together. It takes about, I want to say, 5 minutes, no more than that, to put everything together. And then some of the other features that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But this one, remember, it comes with an app. You can do it with the controllers right there on the bottom as well. And it also is a 26 inches wide by 22 inches tall, 76 liters capacity. This thing is big but convenient to have. Let's take a closer look. So one of the very first things that I like about this one is that you don't have to kind of like hassle to put the litter inside. You just do this, and this is going to remove the lid, so you can actually drop the litter from the top part right here. So that is really good to have. Also, you can use clamping, non-clamping. Clamping is going to be always better, but you can use the small litter box or the small litter, actually not litter box. You can use the small litter or the big ones, the rock, the crystals, but I wouldn't use the wooden one, and I wouldn't use the one that is kind of like sand. It comes with right here. You're gonna find all the instruction manual just to make sure that you understand how to use it. But the best thing is gonna be this one right here, the quick static guide. That's gonna be the one that you may want to read. This one is for more cleaning purposes, and of course, it also comes with this mat just to make sure that when they're getting out, when they're stepping out, everything is gonna be right here and not just on the floor. This is gonna be your other buttons if you wanna just use this one instead of the app. We're gonna try it on the app today, and I don't know if this is good right now. And this is gonna be where you're gonna empty. This is gonna be the bag, which, by the way, it comes with the bags as well. So we're gonna test it out with the Guest app right here. You also can log in and everything. As you can see, you can empty the whole thing. You can clean it or you can reset it as soon as you put the first batch of cat litter box. Remember to just reset it with the one on the right. But right now we're gonna just clean it, pressing this button over here. It says cleaning in progress, and you can see that this one is cleaning right there. I added some fake number one, not number two. I added some fake number one, and then you can see the rake that it's just going that way. As you're gonna see it right there, it's gonna kind of like get trapped. And once that it gets trapped, it's gonna start doing the cycle. Let's leave it doing it by now. I'm gonna fast forward this video so you can see the end process. So then once you're done, when it's done with the process and everything, you have everything right here, the number ones, the number twos. You just take out the bag whenever you want and just make sure that you can just replace the bag with all the bags that comes with. This one actually comes with a lot of bags, so you can just replace them and that's it. The other thing that is super important that this one comes now with one, not two, not three, but four different sensors. That's gonna be in the upper part, in the side as well. Like on the side as well, you're gonna find another one. It's also gonna find an app sensor, and it's also gonna be a weight sensor. So you can rest assured that whenever this one feels that there is a pet inside or there is a cat inside or something like that, you can make sure that this one will stop and not be operating. Well, what can I say? I like it. I do recommend it. Big, reliable, convenient, works with the app, works with the buttons, easy to clean, and of course, works perfectly for our fluorescents over here. Thanks for watching and see you soon.